Hi children, we meet again. I want to continue on formulas, having a few more formulas that is very important for us to learn how to change the subject. We'll take this formula. These are very important formula coming on arithmetic progression. So L is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Here we have to change, make D the subject. So what you can do is, so D is on the right hand side. So what we do is we rotate. So A plus n minus 1 D is equal to L. Now we have D here and A here. So bring the A onto that side. So n minus 1 D is equal to L minus A. So D is equal to L minus A upon n minus 1. Because this into this, so D is equal to multiply, you divide here. We'll take another example. It is the same formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. So here we have to find n as the subject. Make n the subject here. So again, n is on the right hand side, we rotate. So A plus n minus 1 D is equal to L. So because n is here, we bring the A onto that side. So n minus 1 D is equal to L minus A. Now remove the brackets here. We want only n. So dn minus D is equal to L minus A. This D on the right hand side or left hand side, same thing. You have to multiply this bracket by D. So D into n, dn. So D into 1, D. So what you do is, we want only n. Bring the D onto that side. So dn equals L minus A plus D. So n is equal to L minus A plus D upon D. We'll take another example. Look at this. X upon 2 plus y upon 2 is equal to 3. Here we have to make x as the subject. So what we can do is, as we had earlier also, when there are denominators, find the LCM of the denominators and multiply each and every term by the LCM. So LCM here is 2. So x upon 2 into 2 plus y upon 2 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Now we cancel the 2's, so that will be x plus y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus y. As simple as that. We'll take another example. X upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1, and here we have to make A as the subject. So here we have LCM AB, so multiply each and every term by AB. So x upon A into AB plus y upon B into AB is equal to AB is LCM, AB into 1 AB. So here A and A cancel, so it will be BX plus B and B cancel, AY is equal to AB. Now we have to make A the subject. So we have A here also. So bring this also onto the left hand side and bring the BX onto that side. So what you do is, AY minus AB is equal to minus BX. So here there are two terms where you get A. So take A as a common factor. So A into y minus B is equal to minus BX. So A is equal to minus BX upon y minus B. So whenever there are two terms, we have to bring both the terms on the left hand side and then take that particular term as a common factor here. Now here we have AB here, AB here. We want A as the subject. So bring the AB also onto this side and bring BX onto that side. So AY minus AB is equal to minus BX. So a common factor take, then y minus b is equal to minus bx, a is equal to y minus a is equal to minus bx upon y minus b. We'll take another example. These are the very common formula. When you should get used to this type of formulas so that you will be able to be familiar with different types of sums. So here we have to make capital R the subject. So it looks very complicated, but then it's not difficult. So here the denominators are R, capital R, R1 and R2. So the LCM will be capital R, R1 and R into R2. So we multiply each and every one terms by R, R1 and R2. So 1 upon R into R, R1, R2 is equal to 1 upon R1 into R, R1, R2 plus 1 upon R2 into R, R1, R2. Now we have multiplied each and every term by the LCM. So now we cancel the denominator. So R1 and R2, R1, R2 remaining here is equal to R1 cancel here. So capital R and R2. So here R2 is cancelled. So plus capital R and R1. Now we want capital R. So and it is on the right hand side. So we do the rotation. So R, R2 plus capital R, R1 is equal to R1, R2. Now here we have rotated and we have this. So now we have in both terms we are having capital R. So take capital R as the common factor and capital R into R2 minus R2 plus R1 equals R1, R2. So capital R equals R1, R2 upon R2 plus R1. So these are for children today. I hope you have understood, and I hope you will do lot of sums so that you will be able to get enough practice. If you like the lesson, please subscribe.